Hi, I'm Andrew from POS Nation. Today, we're going to dive into label printers. A label printer allows you to create adhesive labels that can be used as barcodes or shelf tags. While most products come pre-barcoded, businesses still have a need for printing labels. Boutiques and specialty stores selling locally produced goods and unique items typically need a label printer the most. Garden centers can benefit from printing their own labels as well, especially if they have oversized or outdoor items that need custom barcodes. Label printers primarily come in two common size capabilities, 2 inches and 4 inches. The 2-inch label printer is ideal for a majority of retailers, but industries such as nurseries may require larger labels. 4-inch label printers can also accommodate smaller 2-inch labels, allowing for additional versatility. Both sizes of label printers are available with thermal transfer or direct thermal technology. Thermal transfer printers use carbon remnants to heat and impact the labels. This provides a crisp print and the label can withstand heat and sunlight. While these printers require you to replace the ink ribbon from time to time, it is the best option if you need heat-resistant labels. Direct thermal printers use paper that darkens when exposed to heat. The print head uses heat and pressure to mark the labels. These printers are slightly cheaper and last longer, but are not an option for hot or sunny environments. Labels can be customized in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials to meet your needs. We've seen standard shelf labels, long and thin cigar barcodes, jewelry tags that fold over on themselves, and plastic outdoor garden labels. Most label printers can print a large variety of shapes and sizes, but the barcode customization really depends on the POS software. Speak to your point-of-sale provider to ensure their solution can deliver the labels that you need. The point-of-sale market can be overwhelming, so we hope this intro to label printers helps you navigate your hardware options. If you're new to retail and not sure where to begin, check out our free POS Buyer's Guide in the video description. Thanks for watching.